Good afternoon. It is March the 10th, 2017. Time to wrap up this week's trading and take a look at next week's trading. Start with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. A mouthful. Hey, what a day we've had in crude and gold and E-mini. When they allow it to sell, it's pretty easy trading. Okay, we start off this morning on the E-mini wanting to sell the 74.76 area. Sell one. If number one holds, we should get to our number two area. Our number two buy zone was right here and produced really, really good trades. Either of these two trades would have worked. 2 points. No trade off the bottom. This S, this retest failure, positive. This S, good for a little. This buy, good for a little. This retest failure, S is bigger trade. And then any of these two would have worked for a positive. Pretty good day trading the E-mini if that's where you wanted to be. The setups work. Just take the trades and see what happens. Taking a look at the Globex session and what's coming. F1 screen, higher low, higher high. We can trade higher come Monday. We have a little bit different picture, probably a D pattern, leaning P. We're looking for a close right here. We thought that we might close in the 266, 67 area. Might be a little higher right now, don't know. But if the market were to close right here, right now, first sell would be 69.71. Second would be 74.76. On the buy side, last rotate stopped at 63, then J period was all the way down to 60, so 60, 62 buy one, 55, 57 buy two. We have labor market conditions index on Monday. We have the FOMC on Wednesday. Everybody's expecting a rate bump. And lots of news on Tuesday, and I believe on Wednesday going into it, the FOMC announcement. Looking at the 10-year note, which is where the hedge is. Now, this was an auction week, and they took in a lot of paper. And the market has been really, really heavily sold. And so we've got this all-time low, well, not the all-time low, but the low of the last year at 22.15 and a half. Equal high or low. So right now it looks like 23.8 to 12 is probably pretty stout resistance. This market, looking at the F2 screen to confirm something. And we just matched that high at 4. So we have a P right here. So this market could trade a little higher. 3 to 7, sell 1. 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, 25, 29, buy 1. 17, 21, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, Pretty compressed day. The knob spread came in some. So we've got the buck to 04 is number 1, 7 to 11 sell 1, 15 to 19 sell 2. On the buy side, we got support at 20 to 24, 13 to 17 buy 1, and 1 to 5 buy 2. No news on Monday. We do have news Tuesday, Wednesday. FOMC on Wednesday's the big one, and they've got 10 and 30-year paper to move, so maybe we'll get a little rally. As long as we stay below 147.04, this market can sell. Gold, we got stops below it. It should be in the 1175 to 1190 puts. 1175 would be my play. Put as little money into it as possible and get as much out of it as you can. Gold has been straight down. If the Fed does raise interest rates on Wednesday, no reason to own gold. Can't eat gold. Can eat your semi-annual payments off of debt. So F1 says sell it. Okay, 4 to 6 is our sell zone. 9 to 11, pretty much where we were. On the buy side, 99 to 01 is buy 1. And then 95, 97 is buy 2. Good day trading gold. Had our business plan made early. Crude oil. What a trade. We had wanted to sell 75s to 50. We were actually able to get that off. You could have been short as high as 86. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Weak close. The news was negative. Everything was set up just beautifully for that. And here we sit. So the OPEC people don't understand one aspect of business in the United States. Developers will keep developing till the banks won't give them any money. And oil exploration companies will keep on drilling till they don't have any more money to keep their doors open. And it's kind of like they forget, as a dictator, they'd sell a barrel of oil for $1 if that's all they could get, just to maintain some form of cash flow. So what they're trying to do is shut down the American exploration and production. And I don't think they'll be successful doing it. There's more pressure on them budgetarily. We can outlast them. We have companies that'll go bankrupt. Our country won't go bankrupt, but Russia, Saudi Arabia, the Persian Gulf states, Iran, they go bankrupt. They don't have the cash flow that they need to meet their current budget demands. So we are pointed lower. Last rotate up stopped at 85. And right now we're at 48. So 75 to 49, sell 1. 25 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, a little bit lower, 48, 48 and a quarter, buy 1. 47.50, 47.75, buy 2. And the euro had a pretty good day upwards. A couple of European Central Bank officials said that maybe we could raise interest rates sooner rather than later before the end of the year. And the euro rallied quite a bit off of that. And it is a market that's driven by news. So here we are back up to the 107 area. And piece of news makes all the difference in the world, these markets. I'm going to combine all of these, get our move out of the middle. Magic, how that works, right? So F1 says find a place to buy it. And F2 will confirm. So we're at 107, 107, 107.10, sell 1. 725, sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down, stopped at 8, so 675 buy 1. 650 buy 2. As usual, after a day or two, we'll be looking for a place to sell it. All these strong rallies in the euro usually give us a pretty good short after a couple of 3 days. But right now it's pointed up. Hey, we had a great week. We've got lots to be grateful for. We'll get after it bright and early Monday morning. You all have a great weekend. We're supposed to have winter here, maybe some rain. We'll take the moisture tomorrow, light rain, and we'll be back bright and early Monday morning. Y'all enjoy yourself. I will. And I'm out of here.